There are two other vegetable orchestras out there in the world, but what we've done a little different is that we've been trying to make all our instruments in one particular key. We're striving to be a perfect 440 orchestra.
Everyone is enjoying themselves today.
Along with learning how to make them, we have to learn how to preserve them. So I would say the most I can get out of the best instrument is about a week. There are some instruments that will last a few hours, and most of them will give me at least 2 days. We make sure that everything gets reused back into the earth in any ways possible. One of the really rewarding parts of the Vegetable Orchestra is when we do our fairs and we have the little kids come up. They're always so interested in exploring what's on the table. That wow aspect, that the thing works and it sounds good, and it's really rewarding to see.